Underwater drones, also known as unmanned underwater vehicles or remotely operated underwater vehicles, are becoming increasingly prominent and advanced in various fields. Here's a closer look at what they are and how they operate. Underwater drones are robotic vehicles designed to operate underwater without direct human intervention. They are equipped with sensors, cameras, and sometimes manipulators or sampling tools, allowing them to perform a wide range of tasks beneath the ocean's surface. How do underwater drones work? Underwater drones use electric thrusters or propellers for propulsion, allowing them to move efficiently through water. Some advanced models may utilize advanced propulsion systems like vectored thrust for enhanced maneuverability. Most underwater drones are remotely operated from the surface using a tethered cable, which provides power and transmits commands and data between the vehicle and its operator. Wireless communication systems are also employed in some autonomous models for greater operational range. These drones are equipped with various sensors such as sonar for navigation and mapping, depth sensors, and environmental sensors to measure water quality parameters. High-resolution cameras and imaging systems capture detailed underwater footage and images for inspection and research purposes. Underwater drones are utilized across diverse applications. They are used to study marine biology, oceanography, underwater archaeology, and climate change impacts. In industries such as offshore oil and gas, aquaculture, and underwater infrastructure, underwater drones are used for tasks including pipeline monitoring and structural inspections, monitoring marine environments for pollution, biodiversity assessments, and habitat mapping. Recent advancements in technology have miniaturized electronics, extended battery life, and improved durability, making underwater drones more capable, affordable, and accessible for various users. Bluefin 21 is used for deep sea exploration and archaeological surveys. Trident Arrow is known for underwater photography, videography, and exploration. Various research models are being used by marine biologists and oceanographers worldwide for studying marine ecosystems and the behavior of aquatic organisms. Advances in robotics, including soft robotics and bio-inspired designs, could enhance the maneuverability and interaction capabilities of underwater drones in delicate marine ecosystems. Integration with advanced sensor technologies like hyperspectral imaging or acoustic communication systems can expand the range and quality of data collected underwater. AI-enabled underwater drones can revolutionize industries such as offshore energy, aquaculture, and underwater infrastructure inspections by improving efficiency, reducing costs, and minimizing environmental impact. Thank you for watching. Please stay connected for more such intriguing videos.